G'day everyone, welcome back to Cam Does Carry. I have an unboxing video for you here today, unboxing of the CODEOFBELL X-Pak Pro Tourer Edition. So this is a special edition of the X-Pak Pro that CODEOFBELL released sometime last year. I think the original X-Pak Pro and the X-Pak 1 were on Kickstarter in 2017. This was a bit of a minimalized, updated version with a different material. I'm into sling bags at the moment, so thought I would check out this. So without any further ado, let's have a look and see what's in the box. Alright, here we are, the CODEOFBELL X-Pak Pro Tourer Edition. This is in the ash colour. This is in some cotton canvas with some waterproof material called duck. I hadn't heard of it before, but it really got me interested and it feels really cool. I must say, it's really textured, really strong feeling, but not plasticky. Doesn't feel plasticky like the nylon on the outside, which does feel really strong as well, but this feels really cool. Very nice indeed. So the ash colour this is. They had a white version as well that I didn't think looked so great. So while I do like the black on black look of a lot of bags, I think this is a really nice sort of contrast to that, just the slight grey to it. So very cool. Right, so this is a sling bag, so let's check it out. So just the one big beefy strap on the back here, really well padded. That's very thick, very thick. Just a standard sort of seatbelt style webbing. Feels tough, feels good. I like the strap keepers that they have here on it to try and reduce the dangling. Very cool. Nice light buckle. There we go. Feels good, plastic, but feels strong. Oh, here we have a tiny little hidden pocket for your bus card or whatever it is, transport card. So you can see, not very deep, just card size. So cool. Feels good. Feels strong. Very cushioned back paneling. Very soft. It feels thick, quite foamy inside there, so that's nice. And we have here the iPad tablet sleeve, so you can see how thick the foam padding in there. So your iPad's going to be really protected. I don't think you are supposed to put a laptop in there. I think that's just for your tablet or that sort of sized flat thing, unless you had maybe like an 11-inch laptop, something quite small, because that's not very big at all. So and I think it is, if I remember from their website, yeah, so it's interchangeable, so you can see how it goes through. So it doesn't matter which side you have the sling, which shoulder you have the sling on, you can still access the tablet compartment from either side. So really clever design there. I like that. But say I don't think these zips are a bit tight against that little tag there and against this latch strap. So I'll have to see how that goes in use, whether it gets caught a little bit. And these zipper pulls are really tiny. YKK zips, so that's really cool. But very small pulls, so I'll have to see if I need to add something to them to make it a bit easier to grab. And you'll see these are just reverse coil zippers, so not full AquaGuard from YKK. So if we go to this side of the bag, two little, I guess, quick access style external pockets. So again, really small zipper pulls. I don't know if you can see, it's just sort of the size of my little fingernail there. So probably quite hard to find them, but just quite small pockets. You'll see they're only you know, that deep, but quite long, coming across the size of my hand. But so just maybe a small wallet. If you had like a minimal wallet, you could fit it in there. If you just had some small headphones, you could put them in there. Coins, cards, will fit fine. Not sure what I'll put in there, but I'll think of something, I'm sure. And again, just the reverse coil zipper, not full AquaGuard, but it does have the fold of the fabric come over the zip, so a little bit more protected, I guess. That, and the second quick access pocket here, which I think is exactly the same, except it has the key clip in there, spins around. Yep, just a little spring loaded catch there, so that's cool. So I guess this will be the key pocket. But other than that, I think they're pretty well identical. Yep, nothing there, but again, I must say the quality feels really good. I can't see any loose stitching. The ballistic nylon feels really, really solid. I mean, fairly standard, but really strong. But this isn't standard. I really like the feel of that. That's nice. Then on the other side, we have here the water bottle pocket. So quite unusual to see a sling bag with a water bottle pocket. So I think that's really interesting design from the CODEOFBELL guys here. And nice that it does zip away when you don't need it. So quite minimal design, which is really good. Feels quite narrow, actually. So that's not a very big space, so I don't imagine you'll be able to fit a very bulky water bottle in there. I'll have to test it out. And I will do a full review after I've used this for a while, so stay tuned for that. So I'll let you know what size water bottle I could fit in there, but and I guess anything you do fit in there, you'll be able to cinch it down with this strap as well. So if you do use it for a tripod or I don't know, umbrella, maybe if you wanted to put that in there, you'll be able to cinch it down. So that's I do like that design. Really quite unusual, I think, to find a water bottle pocket on a sling bag. So really cool design from CODEOFBELL. Now, let's have a look at the main compartments now. So you can see there are zippers on either end. Now, if I recall correctly from the website, if you unclip sort of the roll top, both of these sides go to different compartments. So, yep, I think this is the actual top one. Yep, so that's the one that goes into the roll top section, and this end is the one that has more of your general storage. Yep, so if you can see here, and it's a real bummer that they have not used a lighter coloured fabric in there. I thought the original X-Pak Pro did have like an orange lining in here, which would have been awesome. So I'm not sure why they didn't go with that design for the Tourer edition as well. That's a real shame, but yeah, it's a real black hole in there, but hopefully you'll be able to see. Laptop sleeve, advertised to be for a 13-inch laptop. Looks like it would swallow 13-inch fairly comfortably. I don't have a 13-inch laptop. I have a 15-inch. So I'll just test it to see if it fits, and I do. It's a really chunky Dell, but I love it for the extra battery life, so I can use this all day, and I often do have to use it away from power all day, so I do love that I can use this for 12-13 hours without having to charge it. So it is a very chunky laptop, I will admit. Let's see, 15-inch, ooh, maybe it will just about go in. It's tight. So you know what? That will fit. 15-inch laptop. Just bumped the camera there. Will fit. It does go all the way down to the bottom of that compartment, which is not exactly on the bottom, so that's nice for some more protection on your laptop. It doesn't go all the way, the laptop compartment that is, but yeah, and it's really tight on the corner. You can see that. I'm sure it's not built for a 15-inch laptop, but it can fit, which is good to know. Really good to know. I didn't buy this intending to use it as my main laptop bag, obviously, having a 15-inch, but it's good to know that I can fit it in there if I need to, which is really quite cool. And I guess you know, your mileage will vary as to if you're prepared to take it out with the corners of the laptop being that exposed in there. But impressive that it does fit in there, especially because it's such a chunky laptop as well. So very cool. Take that out. Otherwise, there's more pockets in there, and it's again probably very dark, so you may not be able to see, but there's two sort of mesh elasticy pockets there, a zippered pocket that's not, oh no, it's quite deep. It can fit sort of most of my hand into there. So zippered for something that you want a little more secure in there. There are 1, 2, 3 pen sleeves on top of that as well. Another pocket here that feels a little more padded actually, so maybe you could put, I don't know, something that you need a bit more protected in there, a portable hard drive or something possibly. But yeah, lots of organisation, and this pocket does go the full length of the bag, which is quite a bit of space actually. So I'll just get the ruler out for you and see. So very roughly, that's 30 centimeters, and should we say 45 centimeters deep, roughly, almost 50 centimeters. So quite a bit of space in that this main sort of organisation pocket. So you can fit quite a bit in there, I reckon. But again, I'll test it out and see exactly what I can fit in there. Alright, and finally on to the main top compartment here. So unzip that. So it's on the opposite side. So this side, open up and it's your storage compartment. And here is the top compartment with all the space. So unclip those on the side, unroll like your roll top. And so two ways to access. So you can access through this top zip. Another, just a mesh pouch there for, I don't know what, I guess I'll see what I put in there. And it is separated from the other compartments, so you won't have to worry about anything in this top getting jumbled up with anything in your laptop storage compartment. But expandable storage space, so you can either go through this top roll top or through this side access. So you can see it's the one compartment just with two ways of accessing, and that's quite a lot of space really. I mean, that's what do we say, about 45 centimeters long before it's about, you know, say 25 centimeters across roughly, and if you pulled it up, you know, say 15 to 20 centimeters deep there as well, so you would be able to fit quite a bit in there. Of course, the trade-off would be it would stick quite a way off your back, because it would be, you know, sticking out like this. But if you needed to, like, you would be able to fit shoes and a change of clothes in there if you're going to the gym very comfortably, I would say. Or, you know, if you're traveling for a weekend, I think, you know, as long as you were prepared to pack minimally, you would be able to have a couple of changes of clothes and toiletries in there, not a problem. So then, you know, if you're not using all the space, you can just roll it back down. So it's got the clips on either side, just small plastic buckles. They feel good. And there you go. And you know, it's back to a pretty tight sort of unit. So cool. So there it is. quick look, unboxing. Can't wait to check it out a bit more myself. Yeah, again, I really like the feel of this duck canvas on the outside. Really nice. Feels high quality, feels good, really minimal branding. Just a little CODEOFBELL there. Little logo on the buckle that you can see, and on the tag there, but otherwise really minimal, which is really nice. I like that. But yeah, can't wait to see it. Just a really interesting and different take on how you carry this stuff. Not a big bag, obviously, but really excited to use it. I think CODEOFBELL are doing some really cool stuff in terms of re-looking at the way we carry and get around. So we'll do a full review after I've used it for a little while, got to know all the bits and pieces, checked it all out, and then I will get that back to you. So make sure you subscribe to make sure you get notified when the review comes out. Thank you very much, guys, and I will catch you all later.